So the first Tink custom motorcycle is not going to be your standard old Honda CB whatever, BMW R whatever. I decided to go with something a little bit more interesting, and there's actually a good reason for that, even though you probably think I'm crazy, and it's an MV Agusta 750. No, not the Senna, not that stupid. So the current paint job basically was inspired by much later F3, as you can see. Prior to that was a matte black finish because I bought a cheap kit from China, fairings, the whole thing, seat, absolutely every body panel, $500, and to be honest, you get what you pay for. It didn't fit properly, it was a bit tatty, and as you can see, prior to that, when I actually bought the vehicle, it was silver with some really nice carbon fiber panels. Actually, it was quite nicely done. The blue wheels are quite light. Did this whole sequence of events happen? Well, basically I threw it in a ditch at all of 30 miles an hour, and that's what happens to carbon fiber when you throw it in a ditch. So I joined the mvaugusta.net forum and I put it out there. It's like, you know, should I do this? Is it sacrilege to bastardize a MV Agusta 750F4? And they were really encouraging, and there's some amazing examples out there of bikes that have been converted and customized from what is a phenomenal motorbike to start with. So what better place to start if you can, and I was in that fortunate position. I'd already done some mods to my Tri-Speed Triple, custom exhaust which had to be welded to fit, mirrors, clip-ons, mainly cosmetic stuff. It was time to tackle a serious project with a serious motorbike. What could possibly go wrong? So before you start hacking away at bits and throwing bits away and buying bits, it's a good idea to start with something like Photoshop. Get a side-on image of the bike. If you're really lucky like me, you'll find a cutaway which helps you map bits onto it, and start kind of pre-planning on Photoshop. It's advice I've seen on other custom builders sites. Thoroughly recommend it. So without further ado, let's get on with it. Fairings come off real easy thanks to the quick release bolts that are used on these sports bikes, Ducati, MV, etc. Saving all the bolts as I go along, at least the ones that are in good shape, because you never know when they might come in handy. Ludicrous amount of wiring behind the headlight. Now I know why people use older bikes to build customs, much simpler. So I'm labelling all the wiring connectors so that I know where they fit. Fuel tank comes off nice and easy, quick release fuel connectors, making it safe and less messy. The exhaust likewise just springs, clamping it on, and a little gentle persuasion with a rubber hammer to loosen the fit, and they slide right off. Just putting some clean cloth in the air intakes to stop any dirt getting in there. So that's the initial strip down completed. Lots of things to consider now that it's been laid bare. So if you're interested in what happens next and how this project develops, hit the subscribe now button and you'll get notification when the next video is available for you to see. Thanks for watching.